Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I want to tell you about two things today. Some of you had commented on my last video about y'all. Oh wait, hold on. You know the best highlighter? Sweat. It is so hot. It's even hot with the air on. I know some of you going, Beth, I don't even want to hear about it. You know, y'all have only got it, 75, 80 degrees, y'all. It's been 100 degrees twice. Yesterday and the day before. And, when it wasn't 100 all day long, but it was like in the high 90s the rest of the day. So it's like, oh, and my poor little husband, bless his heart, he works outside, y'all. Yep, he has a small paint contracting business. He's got about 5 people that work for him. And he's out in this heat, but he's smart. They get up and start working at 6 a.m. and he ends the day around 2 because he says 2 to 6 is the most unbearable. Even though people talk about, the most direct rays are from 12 to 2, he said, but the worst humidity is 2 to 6, and that's just like a bear to breathe in. So, anyway, a couple of you had asked me about this necklace. This necklace isn't even real, and I think I got this at, I don't know, Walmart? I don't remember. Same thing with this cross. The chain's gold, but this cross is so old, I don't even know. I do not even know. And then this one is one y'all have seen a couple of times, but I got this at, if it wasn't Charmin Charlie, it was Versona. I think it was actually Versona. That's where I got that one. And then these are Henry Bendel little sticks. They got silver little screws at the top, and then it's a gold stick, so kind of silver and gold theme of my jewelry, which all started with this watch. My husband gave me this Movado watch a while back, and I only wore 14 karat gold jewelry back then because it was just, fine jewelry or nothing, mainly because it was easy. I didn't never have to change my jewelry out, but it's not very fashion forward. So anyway, my mother used to say elegance is always fashion forward, but I don't know. My mother wore a lot of fashion pieces. Anyway, so he got me this watch, and I don't know if you can see, it's got diamonds on either side, and he said the gold one didn't have any diamonds, but this had gold around the diamonds and on the dial, and so it's a mixture of silver and gold, and he thought that's what I would prefer, and I was like, you chose correctly. And that's why I started mixing silver and gold, because of diamonds. Okay, I'm just blotting. It is so hot. Okay, what y'all asked me about was my organizer for my purse. I take from purse to purse. And there's small, medium, and large. The large ones can be used for like Neverfulls, which is really good because Neverfulls have no form to them. They're meant to just throw bunches of stuff in for a weekend kind of thing. And then I'm a kind of a medium to large person for purses. Medium to large person. Well, actually, I'm that too. But medium to large purse person. And so that works for me. But then there's sometimes where you have little ones. And what I think I've ordered the small. And the brand is Cloversac. Clover, S-A-C. So go to cloversac.com and just look at all your little organizers, and I do think it's the best, most quality made ones. The big one I just got off the internet from Amazon was made of felt, and while it's lightweight, I don't think it's going to hold up very good. Cloversacs will hold up good. They're easy to grab and move. They do not have the handles, but when you pull those handles, the sides on other purse organizers, the sides kind of wedge out like this, and you can't get them out. So it's better just to grab the top, pinch it, and pull it out. And that's what you do with the Cloversac. But what I do, and this is a little purse I'm using today. I forgot what this is before y'all asked. I think it's a Chanel Trendy. But anyway, it's a cool little bag. It's got the hard top handle, which I like. It's got the long chain and then the leather strap for your shoulder. It's got the little outside pocket for my phone. And inside it is, this hardware is the gunmetal. So it goes with silver or gold. It's kind of a neutral. And it's got 3 individual sections right here, and back here is a zip pocket, and I think that's all the features of the purse. So the good thing about having that organizer is this morning when I was switching, because I need something red, because I'm wearing blue and I just want a kind of red, white, and muted red, white, and blue, because I did have a cream colored purse, and I feel like that went with this because I don't know if y'all can see, but the shirt's white, and you can't see my jeans. They're not jeans. They're kind of like twill slacks because I'm wearing them to work. But anyway, they're white. And so I wanted to just get something that neutralizes out, and a muted red like this is just perfect for doing that. So when I had my purse with the Cloversac organizer in it, one of the really good things about an organizer, besides taking it from purse to purse, because obviously this is too small for that, is you can so clearly see in there what you want to pull out just for a smaller purse. Like I pulled out just 3 makeup items that I want. I pulled out my little, y'all seen this, my little Medi pouch. And this just has all my different little medications in it and my breather. I pulled out a fingernail file. I pulled out a compact, which I can either do the powder or the blush, but I went with the blush today. Because I thought I don't need 2 compacts in here. And if you want to know what the 3 makeup items were, it was my Tartist, which has the liners on either end, a brow liner, and a lipstick from Chanel, which y'all know. These are my like go-tos. And the reason I always make sure I have a brow pencil, for those of you who are too young to worry about this yet, sometimes your brows go away. That's why you want wax in your brow pencil, because sometimes when it's hot, your brows are like gone unless it has wax in there, and I don't like it hold. And then in the front, I just have my card case and my keys. And that's it. That's all I needed. And I don't need tissues because I've got tissues at work. You know, I'm just going to work today. I'm not going anywhere else. And if I'm in my car, I've got tissues in my car. I didn't need hairspray because I've sprayed my hair as much as it's going to be today. And there's hairspray at work. I mean, so just about everything. Even hand lotion. Like I thought about taking my little hand cream, but actually that's a face cream. This is a hand cream. But anyway, I won't need that because they have that in the bathrooms at work. So I'm set. Okay, so the second thing I wanted to talk to y'all about is, that was just the fact that if you have a Cloversac, even though you can't go from medium to small, it's very easy to look through the Cloversac and pick out what you really need for a smaller purse. And the next thing I wanted to show you was a dupe. Well, y'all know I love me some Charlotte Tilbury, but there's a particular palette that I'm just really frustrated with her. I've gotten all of her Instant Look in a palette. It's 5 Minutes Face on the Go. This is the Natural Beauty, but the one that I really love is the Seductive Beauty. And she just doesn't have it on the website. I can't find it anywhere. Somebody charged $400 for it on eBay. I'm like, no, it's not worth that. But this basically, all her kits have a highlighter, a transition, and a dark. They have a bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlight. And a really nice size mirror. So the one that I like is hard to find. It's expensive, and I saw this, and I decided to order it from Beauty Flash. It's called Flower Full Face Palette. Full Face in a Flash. So I kind of feel like they're copying even the it's Instant Look in a palette. Full Face in a Flash. Universally flattering shades. Well, that I will agree with. It does not have a mirror, which I think is a mistake, but it's a lot cheaper. I don't even remember how much this was, but it was cheap. But look, even at the design of the palette, it's so obvious that they are copying. It's not even funny. Or either the same people that make this packaging that maybe that Charlotte buys from. Now, as far as colors, you can see these colors are not like. These are very close to the palette that I like, the Seductive Beauty. And I did not have my camera ready this morning when I was getting ready, so I didn't do a get ready with me, but I have this palette on now, and I think it looks great. I think the bronzer and blush are one of the most natural looking on me. I think the eyeshadow is like best ever, and the highlighter is so subdued. I mean, part of this really is just I'm dewy because it's hot and I'm kind of sweaty or whatever, but I blotted and you can still see that I've got this nice kind of shimmer. It's not glittery or chunky. It's just kind of like a shimmer of youthful oil in your skin, and that is this highlighter. So I would tell you, and this dark is dark enough that I was able to line my eyes and my brows, and so, and it was good for, you know, the crease color. This transition color is a nice cross. I thought it was going to be too orangey, but I don't think it is. And I thought that the highlighter was going to be too gold or champagne-y, but I feel like it's light enough that it's doing what it's supposed to do, both in the inner corner and under the bend of the brow. So I highly recommend this so far. We'll see how it goes throughout the day, but I mean, no kidding. I really feel like these colors look good on me. So again, the name of this is, the brand is Beauty Flash. Hold on. Yes, Beauty Flash. It says flower is a trademark of Papillon Productions. So flowerbeauty.com. Okay, this is made in Poland. We never test on animals. Get your full face done in a flash. Again, so it's Beauty Flash. Maybe Beauty Flash is the name of this palette because it looks like the name of the company is flowerbeauty.com. So flowerbeauty.com. Beauty Flash is the name of this palette. Full face in a flash. And apparently there's only one SKU because I don't see, other than that, a name. So instead of the fact that Charlotte has 4 of these, the one that I can't get is my favorite. Because I just don't really like the Natural Beauty one. I'll use these, but I don't like it as much. Just because it's not dark enough. You know, like the brown is not brown enough like this is to do my liner and my brows. So anyway, I highly recommend this. I feel like it is one of the best dupes I've ever seen. It's a fraction of the cost. It's certainly not near the beauty packaging. It doesn't have a mirror, which I always feel like that is a downfall of a palette. If it doesn't have a mirror, it's just 10 points off. All right, where are we? Okay, so I'm fixing to be finished. This is why I want my contacts in. When I get ready, I can't see without glasses, so I have to get so close. But I did try to wear my contacts again the other day, and it wasn't doing well. So, but anyway, I want to highly recommend this to y'all. Go to flowerbeauty.com and check it out. I bet you'll like these colors. They're very universal. Anyway, I will see you guys